In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell a car in GTA 5 online. So to do this, you need to go ahead and pin a location. So what I suggest you do is go into the bottom left of the map and find this icon here, which is Los Santos Customs. There is 4 of these on the map, so once you find this one, you can click right on the D-pad or just go across on your controller and it will flick through them. Depending on where you are on the map, you may want to go to a closer one, but just go ahead and set your waypoint to a Los Santos Customs. Once you make it to Los Santos Customs in your car, you want to drive in, the door will open, and from here we can go ahead and sell our car. So first you may need to repair it, but if you scroll down you can see sell your vehicle. Go ahead and click on that. Then it will show you how much you're going to get for that vehicle. If you're happy with that, you can go ahead and click select. And there you go, just like that, the vehicle has been sold and the money will be added to your balance and you'll then be taken outside of Los Santos Customs. There you go. I hope that video helped you out.